Hello.
1, 2, 3. Hi everybody. Today we are gonna make juice because it's summer and we love juice. So my sister's gonna say which fruits we need.
We need carrots, pineapples,
Yes.
and mango.
Yes.
Now the egg.
You love mango.
Yes.
And we need a juice squeezer. So let's start. So first we are gonna take this out from the juice squeezer and then begin.
Yes.
So first we are gonna do a little bit of this. We're gonna put it in the juice squeezer. It's really slippery. Now we are gonna put this on the middle. Start it.
But it's so squeezed.
It. That's a bigger slab. And just one more to finish the top. Oh, yeah. It's not really. We poured it in. So now we are gonna put the lid back in. Back on. And I think we're gonna pour it in the glass.
Stop it.
And don't even start. Until drink and stop. Now we are gonna try it. I like it. It's very delicious.
Yes, Annie.
So I hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.